Hi students, I want to show you how to determine your latitude using the sun and your simple inclinometer that I showed you how to make in a previous video. Now there are two motions of the sun that you have to account for to determine your latitude. One is the motion when the sun rises, it's low in the sky, it gets the highest around noon, and it sets in the evening. So you got to account for that motion of the sun, which is caused by the rotation of planet Earth. Now that highest point in the sky is important, and that should be around noon local time during standard time, the winter, or around 1 local time during daylight savings time. So come out, here we are, this is July the 16th, so this is daylight savings time, so I'm out here around 1 o'clock. So around 1 o'clock, and again this is very rough, you're going to be able to measure the altitude of the sun. Second motion of the earth, or motion of the sun in the sky, is the fact that the earth is tilted on its axis relative to its plane of orbit around the sun. So here in summertime, the earth's northern pole is tilted toward the sun, which means the sun appears to be directly overhead north of the equator. And in the wintertime, our north pole is tilted away from the sun, which looks like to us that the sun is lower in the sky, and it's directly overhead south of the equator. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the written instructions, but for the video I want to show you how to do the daytime sunshine. So I'm going to take my inclinometer and I'm going to point it at the sun. Don't look at the sun through the inclinometer, because you can do the same thing by just lining it up until you can see the sun on the piece of paper. So when the tube forms a perfect circle, you have the altitude of the sun. So once you got that, you can hold your string against the inclinometer, and you can read that it says about 24 degrees, 23 degrees right there. You're going to take 90 minus 23, and you're going to get 67. And then there's one more subtraction or addition problem that you're going to do based on the day of the year, and that's going to account for the position of the sun based on the day of the year. Once you do that subtraction problem, you will have your latitude.